Hi guys, we received this LED industrial height bay light for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice that it comes very well protected with lots of foams. When we open the box, we first see the installation instructions. This white lamp, okay, and you can hang it with this, or you've got this hook, okay. This is the main unit. As you can see, these are the LEDs. I'm gonna take this off, and it has this for the cooling, which is quite nice. Okay, so you've got this hook where you're gonna hang it. So I'm gonna place it right now. And you've got the cable so you can do the installation. Okay, so I'm gonna place a plug in here. I'm gonna wire a plug so I can connect it to an electric outlet. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, now I have already installed it, and it's very bright. It works perfect. It's a cold white LED, which I find quite nice because it's perfect, like here in the warehouse, stuff like that. So connected and be able to look perfectly. It looks really nice. And as you can see, it's just some basic wiring, and then take that long to connect it, and it's just hanging on wherever you wanna place it, and that's all you need to do. So it's really nice. I like it a lot, and I will recommend it. See ya.